but mentally, egg and coffee together are not working for me.
Hi, I'm Kim, and this is my husband Wei. We live on the road full-time, slow traveling to 60 countries before I turned 60. Of course, our travel plans changed when the coronavirus began spreading across the globe. As we wait for borders to reopen, we are hanging out in our home state of Arizona, working through our backlog of videos, including this one, a walking tour in Saigon, or Ho Chi Minh City if you prefer. One quick reminder before we get started, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified when we post a new video. Thank you so much. It means the world to us, literally. Now how about a walk around Saigon? We begin this wonderfully warm February day at the Bitexco Tower. Nice purse.
Thank you. Matches my shorts. We are in the Bitexco Tower, which is the tallest building in Vietnam and the 623rd tallest building in the world.
We are on the 49th floor, the Sky Deck, which is a $200,000 admission, but you get a 360-degree bird's eye view of the city, which is massive, by the way. So it's a great place to start your tour because you sort of get a lay of the land, if you will. Here's a pro tip. If you want to avoid the fee, if you say you're going up to the cafe, which is one floor higher, you can go have a coffee and you get a partial view. It's not 360 degrees, but it's still pretty magnificent. I will say, I sort of think the admission is worth it.
I agree.
Bags, little hats, designer bags, scarves, nuts, dried fruits, and other snacks, candy, tea, coffee beans from all over. Oh, smells so good. Souvenirs, various housewares. This is the tool to do the green mango slices. Coconut bowls. I love these. Wei?
I love those too.
Hair accessories, what do you think? Lashes, fabric, clothes, lots and lots of clothes, watches,
Already ate.
plenty of food stalls, meat and seafood, and it's fresh. And boy, does it smell fresh if you get my drift. Center of Saigon Square, which is relatively empty in the middle of the day except for the few tourists like us. However, at night the square is lit up with lights lining the streets. They close down the streets to cars, so it's a pedestrian walkway, and it looks like the entire city comes out to hang out when the weather is lovely because the sun's gone down.
Saigon City Hall was originally built as a hotel in the 19th century, Hotel de Ville, but because it is actually a working city hall, you're not allowed to go in it. check out when you come into the post office. First is the architecture. We've been told, or you'll hear, that it was designed by Gustav Eiffel of Eiffel Tower fame. That's not true. Another thing to look at is the tile floor, which is original and it's beautiful. And there are 2 paintings on either side when you walk in. Come to this part of the park where everybody is totally on their phone and totally engrossed in their phones. It's just really kind of surreal. Turns out that this is actually where everybody comes to play Pokemon Go. So even though they're all on their phones, they're all playing together.
Arizona desert, but she'll always find her way back.
Egg coffee.
Was created in Hanoi in the 1940s to overcome the lack of milk available. Someone took an egg yolk with a little bit of condensed milk, frothed it, and it became a milk substitute. So you add it, it's sitting in a pot of hot water, you stir it up. Wow, is that really good. Now it has sweetened condensed milk in it, so it has a little sweet taste, but it's really rich and frothy and creamy. Really good. Didn't expect that at all.
Kim says this is amazingly, fabulously good.
I didn't say that.
But kind of she said something close to that. But mentally, egg and coffee together are not working for me, so I need to overcome that before I jump into this. But let's see. It smells eggy. Yeah, that's pretty darn good. It's almost like a little eggnoggy and well, coffee, obviously.
Way better than eggnog.
Way better. Yeah, no, this, I would order one if I wasn't vegan, obviously.
Vietnam is a former French country, so it's not surprising.
Colony.
Trapped.
I'm getting trapped. I'm getting trapped. Always get trapped here. God, so good. That Eiffel movement up here.
Non lo bisogno. Grazie.